Our client informed us she was ready to go back to a relaxer. After growing
Yeah,
it
he did
out,
it.
we said, no, let's try BioTanix. The technology behind BioTanix treatment is all about the protein amino acids
Good Marcus.
compound that's extracted from plants and essential oils that nourish the
Okay.
hair.
You recording? Yeah.
There is no harsh chemicals, there's no fumes, no smoke during the process, no irritation. The avocado oil is rich in vitamin A, B, and E. The amino acid, folic acid, iron, and magnesium properties, all of the compounds together deliver a high level of nutritive properties that keep the hair deeply moisturized and add shine and manageability, as you can see. She don't have to get a relaxer.